Hi everyone, Kevin here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to change your gas cap. It's a pretty easy thing. It takes 2 seconds, really simple. I'm sure everybody needs to do eventually, and just want you to know how easy it is. Okay, so here's the part number for the gas cap. This is an AC Delco part. Again, so I'm placing with the original one. So this is the gas cap. It's the exact same one. Again, I think I found this one on eBay. Not eBay, Amazon. Found this one on Amazon. Okay, and here's all the tools you're going to need. This one piece of trim removal tool. Again, if you want to get these, you can get these on Amazon. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you're just going to pop this off. So you just stick that in there, give it a little twist, and pops it off. And that's it. The reason I'm taking this off and placing it is because I can't tighten it. It just falls off every time I twist it. It's not grabbing unless I push really hard. So it's just getting time to go. The seal's probably gone and things like that. So you're just going to grab the new part. Alright, take it out of the package. There it is, nice and new. It's the exact same. As you can see, it's identical. Right? So as you can see, they're identical. So you take the new one. I'm just going to lock it in. Oh, that's a lot better. See, I can feel that one tight. Then you're going to take this. I'm going to press it in there. Hold the back of this so you don't break it, and that's it. And you pop it in, and you're all done. That's how to change a gas cap. It takes 2 seconds. Okay, hope that helps you out. Take care.